Hello, traders. This is Christopher Terry, CEO of iMarkets Live, and we're doing our daily swing trade, or our IML swing trade. We're changing the name because, let's face it, can't do it every day, but I do it as much as I can. So, I was looking at some charts tonight. I saw the EUR USD, and it reminded me back of around the year 2000. I was training my brother Stephen in the markets, and I said to him, Steve, what do you see? And he looks at me and he goes, it's a bull face. I'm like, what's a bull face? He goes, well, here are the cheeks. Here's a nose. He goes, that's the top of the head. He goes, and those are the horns. And he was actually serious. And I'm sitting there looking at it. What he was actually uh, thinking of is the bull flag pattern, where you go up and the market consolidates, like for instance here, bull flag, right? So he saw a bull face. So in the markets, you could see anything. You could see a mirage for for what it's worth. But the fact is, it was just something that has stuck with me over the years. How interesting somebody who knew nothing about the markets saw a pattern that didn't really exist. So let's just throw Dash up here. Let's just throw Dash, Tether, USD, same thing. So what we have here, we've been looking at Bitcoin, all right, often enough. And Bitcoin's looking, as we had mentioned, this has more of a daily pattern. Now, I'm not going to show it here. At best, let me just flip back, leave this on a 2-hour chart. I've been messing with the charts over the past few days, and it looks like the market, the Bitcoin market, I'm looking for. Here it goes. Sorry about this, guys. 5-wave. Here it is. I'm looking at this market being able to form a 5-wave pattern now. This may go a little bit higher, but the point is, I'm looking for the Bitcoin market, now that it came off this low, put a higher low in, is to continue up towards this area. Now, whether it goes from here and completely fails, or it goes here, has a pullback, and quite honestly, the interesting area I like to watch is this. Okay, so if you look here, all right, right in here, okay, right in there. So you have high, high, high. So any pullback can come there. So I don't feel that this is going to be a hindrance. I think the market can push up to this area, bounce off, and then push, and then have one more big pullback before a much larger move. So upside area, looking at roughly 19,000 in the Bitcoin market. All right. If you watch my my Instagram, let me see if I could find it for you. Let me just put on pause. Yeah, if you look at my Instagram, I've been I know a lot of people look at it, but I've been looking at this market down here. So just if you want to follow me on Instagram, you're welcome to do that. Chris Terry Official, right there. I don't have that many followers. This is something I just like to post stuff. So anyway, let's get back over to the Bitcoin market. Let's get over to Dash. Let's take a look at this real quick. All right, Dash looks like it has that bullish flag type of pattern. So you have that sideways market, rally, 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 consolidation market. So I like this a lot higher. Can fill out for another couple days, but I think overall the market has a big run to the upside coming. All right, we don't need to see that. Okay, whatever, that was my support staff. I just we have the Skype on. Anyway, right here. All right. Also, Litecoin has that bullish flag type of market where it looks like you have this fast market up consolidation before another big rise is coming. So it looks like all of the coin markets really want to get going to the upside. All right. Yeah, more with Ethereum's already been popping. So just stay in tuned. I don't think it's a time to be bearish. I think it's a time to be bullish in the coin markets. I didn't want to be the guy chasing them all the way up. That's not what I do. I like to wait, consolidate, and then go for it and start putting money into it. So I'm vested into the markets, and I keep an eye on them. So what else we got here? We have the harmonic scanner. We have NZDJPY. You get XABCD down to support area. What I like to see is this come down a little bit, all right, and start buying this. You have a risk point way down here on the NZDJPY hourly chart. So anywhere in here, buy zone, no problem with that. I like that market. I also like the AUD USD. So this had just tested this area. What I'd like to see is the market come back down, maybe an area in here to buy. All right, you can see all the numbers here. You don't need me to put that for you because every chart, every broker has its own numbers too, right? But you can see the pattern. So I definitely like this. Anywhere down here, look at the buy side. You got your risk underneath the swing low here, and I think you could have a nice play to the upside. So just keep an eye on a few of these markets. Very exciting times. It's a brand new year. Take your time. No rush into it. As patterns set up, you trade them. You put the right risk. You don't want to blow up on any one trade. Okay. So be patient. I'm looking forward to New York City. For those of you that are coming out in New York City on Thursday, we have a nice event coming. Let me see if I could show you actually. Here we go. Don't miss this. Whoever's in New York City, do not miss this. Stewart Hotel, 31st Street, New York City. And it's 7 o'clock start, January 4th. Myself and Jason Brown, Chairman 250. It means he does pretty good on the network marketing side. So those of you that are definitely interested in what we're doing in New York City, if you're out here, please come visit, say hi. And that's about it, guys, girls, women of all ages. Looking forward to see what the market's going to do tonight and tomorrow. And we're going to be amping up the cryptocurrency side. We got multiple traders coming on this weekend's Millionaire Mindset next Sunday. Jason and myself are going to get on the mic and on the video, and we're going to talk about it. So I'm giving you an early heads up that we have a team of cryptocurrency traders coming, a lot of good educators coming. We got some really big stuff happening. iMarkets Live is going to take over the cryptocurrency industry this year. We're going to give you all the best of the best and just get rid of all that, what they call in New York, all that fugazi stuff, and give you the best of the best that's out there. So rock and roll. Love everybody. Appreciate everybody. And let's have ourselves an amazing day. I'll be back tomorrow. Rock and roll.